Hi, we're back at Thornage Hall and we're revisiting the cosmos for August. Some of you may have been following our catch-ups about what's happening in the night sky, but we've been step by step just giving a bit of a guide of what's happening month by month. So in August we are still seeing that Jupiter and Saturn are dominating the sky, and so they're very clear to see. Particularly in the south-west of the sky, late in the evening, and then setting around about 3 o'clock in the morning, both still very visible. As we move on a little bit through the month, we're going to be able to see that on the 12th and the 13th we have meteor showers, the Perseid meteor showers. This is actually debris that's actually breaking up from the comet Swift-Tuttle, and as it burns up in the atmosphere we're going to have quite a spectacular display of meteor shooting stars, sometimes they're known as. Now the moon might get a little bit in the way of this because the moon is going to be quite bright after midnight, but for quite a long time, for about 10 o'clock in the evening, there's a good chance if you're out in the garden you may see some of these shooting stars. And as we progress through the month, we're also going to know that the moon is very close to Mars. We haven't mentioned Mars very much, but it's quite visible now in the sky. And so that's going to be visible pretty much throughout the whole of the month. But good dates to see that will be beyond the 14th and up to about the 18th of August. That's worth to look out for. And then going towards the end of the month, as we have said, Jupiter and Saturn are dominating the sky over the night. But on the 28th, you'll see that Jupiter lies very, very close to the moon. So the moon is a good indicator of where Jupiter is. And just to the left of the brighter of the two planets, Jupiter being the brightest, you'll see Saturn. So they're two planets that are close to the moon, and the moon will be the indicator in the sky as to the position of these two planets. So I hope that you've enjoyed that catch-up of what's happening in August, and have a good view particularly of these meteor showers, the shooting stars, the middle of the month, from the 12th and the 13th of August. Okay, happy viewing.